Show up.
Showing up means to be able to come in to teach, lead, motivate, encourage, listen, and connect with our students.
For us, we're a little unique, so it being here every day and showing up shows a sense of duty and responsibility that they can carry on as they traverse through life.
Showing up is just making sure everything's clean, presentable for the teachers when they come in, for the children, for any parents that come in.
Keep showing up for them because, they do look forward to coming to school to see you, whether you guys believe it or not. You are their person, you are somebody's person, and they may not have the best home life, so they look forward to coming to school, walking in the classroom and seeing you.
Well, to come and be ready and prepared. I always carry a smile on my face, and I know that these kids is gonna be my face that they see in the morning when they come in off that bus at 8:05 up to about 2:15. So I wanna make sure it represents me and what ECPS stands for.
I gotta show up for the kids. I can't teach them, you have to be here every day, you have to be here if I'm not here. So I have to give my best to them every single day. I may not be my 100% every day, but they're gonna get the best I have to give at every day because I expect that in return from them.
Stand out. It's all of the little moments that make us as practitioners stand out. I picture the one-liners that our students say in the middle of the day, or watching a student that had a hard time connecting beginning of the year by end of year, just coming at you with hugs and feeling so well loved and so well mattered. It's all of the little things along the way that showcase student growth that help stand out.
My one major goal this year is working with our high school students, working on those life skills to build that independence and that confidence in them so they can have confidence in themselves. Like I have confidence in them. I want them to see them, how awesome they are themselves.
My kind of continuous ongoing HR goal is to help our staff want to be here, to make them feel welcome and supported. And if that is from even just showing support or streamlining processes, making everyone's job a little bit easier, that is my ultimate goal.
When the kids come on, the first reaction is, wow, this isn't a normal school bus. And then they come in, we either put out books or they can use the computers, and the bus stands out itself. If you've seen Mel, you know it stands out.
We have the students that are living in trauma coming into the new year will have had a summer possibly without consistent food, consistent shelter, consistent stability. And so my goal coming into the new year is to break it down to show that these children are cared for, that these children matter, and create that consistency, create that routine so that way they walk into a safe environment.
Make it matter. We all come in with the same purpose, and I think that it's really important to hone that purpose at the very beginning. I think that it's important because it's collaboration. It's making sure that we're all on the same page. I think that it inspires us to continue to do more.
I think everything that we do on the day-to-day matters. It matters to me. It matters that I do a good job. It matters that I see my colleagues be successful as well. And you just don't know how many people that you have affected. You don't see the whole thing. And I thought, man, what it would be to just capture that and just be able to see the impact that you've made.
Sometimes when you think about making a matter and what you're doing with your work, you're not really sure if what you're doing on that day makes a difference or is actually mattering to a student, which is why we're here, is to provide services for students. So sometimes it's after the fact that you find out what you've done makes a difference.
And it's something that maybe you said, I said, and it's impacting them and it's gone on to another generation. And those are the ripple effects that we don't see. So whether we think we got to do something big, we don't. It's even the little things make a huge impact.
Don't be afraid to go outside of your role a little bit and get to know people, get to know the people that you work with and make those connections, because it just makes your job easier and better.
Knowing that what we do matters makes us want to do it more. And even the small moments, those small wins, like a student learning something new or a coworker offering support or a family feeling like they're being heard to advocate for their own child, that's what really matters. That's what's important.